What's up, Team Fullest? This is again Amy Fullest. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome terug op mijn kanaal. So guys, yes, I'm here with a good news. Because some of you guys are still sending me messages, DM me on Instagram, on Facebook, on my email, asking me, Amy, where can I get the real shea butter? Where can I get the shea butter? So today I'm super excited because this is something I have been discussing for a long time now. You guys love my video about shea butter because I myself didn't really know a lot, but I've learned a lot from you guys, and I've learned so much about shea butter from you guys, and I really want to come here and recommend someone that I personally know. That's the reason why I never really recommend a lot of people. I've recommended someone to you guys in the past and you guys have contacted her. I don't know how that is working out, but today I want to come and talk to you guys about my own sister. This is something we've been discussing. Like, she's starting her own business. She's selling eyelashes, hair. She's really working hard. She's doing her own business, and one day we were discussing. I'm like, sis, people are really interested in buying shea butter, you know, and since you already have your own business, can't you include shea butter into your business? That would be a really good deal. And she was like, yeah, it's something that I've been thinking about now for a while now. Maybe I'll give it a try. And I was like, okay, so when you're ready to do that, let me know. This is something that has been going on behind the scenes. We have been discussing, and I've been telling her, please do this, because people are still DMing me. People are still sending me a message that they want the real Ghanaian shea butter, the real African, let me just say African shea butter, the real deal, not the mixed one. Okay, I said, so what we're going to do when you start this business, please let me know, and I want you to send me a sample, even though we are sisters, but you're going to send me a sample, because I'm not going to come to my YouTube platform, my YouTube page, and recommend something that I myself haven't tried. It doesn't matter if we're family or not. Sometimes some family members can make you look like a fool in front of people, and I don't want that. I love the fact that you guys trusted me so much and always come to me for information, always come to me to recommend someone that sells shea butter. I have got a lot of email with companies reaching out to me, want me to promote their shea butter on my page, on my platform. And the thing I always tell them is, send me a sample of your work, of your shea butter. Send me a sample, and it doesn't have to be a whole box, just a little one. Send me a sample, let me try it, let me see how it feels, and if it's the real deal, I would definitely do a video about that. And I never really get any reply from them, so that's case closed. So today, my sister, after years of working, months of discussing, she finally received her shea butter. She finally going to launch her shea butters. So guys, I'm here to I'm so excited. I'm out of word. But this is my own sister. This is someone I know personally, and she really have the real deal. I will put the name of her website here on the screen, and also the name of her Instagram on the screen. So if you guys are interested in getting the real shea butter, she do lives in the UK, and she do sell them in containers. I'll put a sample here of how the containers looks like. She do sell it in container because there are some people who want to get only a certain amount. They're not looking for like a big massive like a container. They just want a certain amount to try. So that's the thing we also discuss. I'm like, hey, there are people who wanted to buy just container to try. I said it would be nice if you also have one pack in a container. So she listened, and I'm really excited. So I'll put a picture here on how the containers look, and I'll put a picture, name of her Instagram, and the business information will be on the screen. Everything that you guys need will be in the description box. Like the first layer of the description box is going to be all information. So she sent me some shea butter, guys. So this is what she sent me, a whole lot. She sent me a whole lot. I was like, okay, you can't reject when someone sent you something. She sent me a whole lot, and this is the white shea butter. This is what it looks like, guys. I don't know, but this is the white shea butter. If you're from Sierra Leone, we call it Madoni. It smells like Madoni. The smell is not the best for people who are used to sweet smell, rosy smell. For me, I don't really mind. I found the smell to be very nice, very home feeling. It gives me home feeling, very familiar, because this is what my mom used to rub on my skin when I was a little girl. She will mix this one with palm nut oil. You know, the palm nuts, the seed, the oil. She will mix it, or baby oil, and this is what she used to rub on my skin when I was little. So for me, the smell is perfect. It smells like home. It smells familiar. So this is what the white shea butter is looking like, and this is what she's selling. This is the real deal, and this is so, especially now we are in the winter. If you're somebody who is like dry skin as I am, this is perfect. You guys see how it melts? It melts when it touches the skin. It just melts. It's just melt on the skin. You guys see how it's just melt? You guys see that that my hand is looking very moisturized. This is actually good. This is the purest form of shea butter. It's not mixed with anything. You can use this to mix your cream. If you guys follow me on my beauty channel, I've shown you guys a tutorial how I use shea butter and mix it with my body cream. I mix it with my cream just so that to get that extra moist, because I have a really dry skin. Shea butter is also good for you to use as a leave-in conditioner. As a leave-in conditioner, you can mix it with your hair products as a moisturizer for your hair. You can use it as an oil for your hair. I do have a leave-in conditioner that I use, and I mix shea butter also in it. I kind of melt it and mix it in it, and I use that on the kids' hair. I use it on my hair, and I really love it. So guys, this is the second person that I am coming here to recommend to you guys. So this is, she's selling in small quantities, so if you are not interested in buying a whole lot, and she lives in the UK, so I think shipping will be a little bit faster for those who lives in the US, because I got a lot of people asking me from the US, like, Ami, can you recommend someone? I don't know anybody in the US that sells shea butter. I've never really tried any shea butter from the US, but this one, she lives in the UK and she gets her shea butter from Africa. This is her real deal. I am really happy for her, to be honest, because I put this on her. I'm like, there are a lot of people who are really interested in shea butter, and I'm I'm excited that she finally listened to me and she's finally starting her own shea butter. Guys, go and give her support. Tell her TeamFullest, I'm a Fullest sent you, because I'm really excited. And if any of you guys purchase her shea butter, I would really like to know what you guys, your opinions, your reviews. I really want to know. Let me know, like, send me a message on Instagram and tell me your reviews, or go to her website and review it. But I know she's selling the real deal, and this is, and now I have a bunch of shea butter. I have a lot of shea butter in house. Now I have a bunch of shea butter here. Oh, this smells so good. And I also have this in a little container, which I use as a lip balm, because we're in the winter season and my lips get dry, and you guys can see my hand is looking so moisturized right now because of the shea butter. It looks really nice. And also, do you guys know what this is perfect for in the winter? I don't know if I'm the only one with this problem, but I'm just going to stand here, like my knees, I don't know, my knees here get dry so fast. So what I do, I take shea butter. I have the one that I have in a container. I use it as a lip balm. I take that one and I put it on my knees. This part of my knees gets so much dry, and my feet, what I do, I rub a bunch of shea butter on my feet and then put a plastic bag on top of it. Put a plastic bag and then put a socks. When I wake up in the morning, all those dead skin on my feet are falling down and my feet is looking perfect. My feet is looking so smooth, so moisturized. This is what I have been doing, especially in the winter time. I do this a lot. I rub it on my knees, on my elbow, like everywhere where it's exposed and I'm getting that dryness. This is perfect. This is so perfect. My hands feel so moisturized. Everything that I use around me, I mix it with shea butter. I do. Body cream, I mix it with shea butter. Hair product, I mix it with shea butter, just because I have a really dry skin, and using this on my knees, on my feet, it's so good. It get rid of that dead skin. It get rid of that dryness around my feet. I'm not the kind of person that wears sandals all the time. I like to wear sneakers or shoes that is closed. But sometimes in the winter, when it's so cold, it's so dry, my skin get really dry, especially around my feet. So using shea butter at night, rub it on your feet, put plastic bag, and then put your socks on, go to bed, wake up the next morning, you will thank me. Or what you can do also that I have been doing a lot, take a little bit of shea butter, put it on your finger, warm it up. You guys can see how easy it melts when it touches the skin, and then pat this underneath your eyes at night before bed. Do this every night. When you're about to go to bed, wash your face, take some shea butter, warm it on your finger, and then go in with this finger and then kind of dab it underneath your eyes. When you wake up in the morning, you're going to send me a DM and be like, Ami, thank you. All those bagginess underneath your eyes is going to disappear. It's going to make your eyes look so awake in the morning. It's going to make your eyes look really, really nice. Your under eyes are going to look really nice. You're going to thank me later. I've been doing it now for a while, for a long time. So guys, please go to my sister's website, go to her Instagram and check it out. Now I'm going to tell you guys, don't come to my DMs anymore and be asking me for shea butters or people that sell shea butters. If you're interested, go and check her out. She is selling the real deal. You guys know I'm not coming here. Even I've got people who have said, I'm going to pay you. She didn't pay me anything. And trust me, between you, me, and God, I have been the one on her neck and telling her, you have to include shea butter into your business. I have been on her neck because I have been getting a lot of messages, and I'm just tired of all the messages asking me, where can I get shea butter? Where can I get shea butter? So I thought, you know what? Let me put a little bit of that stress on your head. So I'm really happy that she really listened to me and she starts selling shea butter. I'm super happy. So guys, I will really appreciate if you guys go and check her out. She's selling the real deal. I'm not here to recommend just anybody to you guys. I've had people who will be like, we will pay you, just talk about our shea butter. This, like, money is good. Like, I'm not saying that money is not good, but to me, not all money is good money. There's some bad monies. Yes, there are bad monies. Like me recommending something that I know it's not good, that I know me myself personally will not use just because of money. That's for me is bad money. I got a lot of messages, a lot of pictures on Instagram. You guys sending me pictures of you buying shea butter on Amazon, on whatever website, and you guys are getting something that when I see the pictures, I'm like, I'm sorry, that's not the real deal. And you guys telling me, oh, I mean, it smells awful. The smell is not good. And that's the reason why I've been really talking to this sister of mine to start selling shea butter, because I get messages. Like, I made my first shea butter video like 7 years ago, and I still get DMs about shea butter. I still get DMs like, where can I find shea butter? Do you know anybody is selling? Recommend anybody to me. And I've got people cussing me out on this page telling me I don't want to support black owned business. I'm not recommending black people who selling shea butters. I can recommend your shea butters. Just send me a sample. Just send me a sample so I know what I'm recommending. Like this one, she's a family. If she mess up, she know my mouth. My mouth is too big. But, you know, she knows me. So she's not going to just sell you guys anything just like that. She's somebody who is also very honest with her business. It's about pulling the real deal, like giving people what they want, what they pay for, because Money is not easy to get money these days. Money is hard to get. So when you pay for something, I really want you guys to have what you pay for. So I'm super excited. I'm just talking, but I'm super excited, guys. If you want the real African shea butter, the white one, not the yellow one. If you guys want the yellow one as well, you can contact her. At least I have put the information on the screen. You guys can go and check it out. You guys can transfer a little bit of that stress onto her. Just slide on her DM. Contact her. Don't come and stressing me again about shea butter. Please, I beg. You know, I'm really excited for her. I'm really happy for her, to be honest. I would really appreciate if you guys go and check her out, show her your love and support. I will post it in my community page as well. Go and check her out. Go and support your sister out. I'm really happy. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Like, I'm saved for the winter. I have a bunch of shea butter for this winter. I'm safe. So this winter, I'm safe. My skin is going to glow. My skin is going to look smooth. All because of the raw African shea butter. This is my body cream. This is everything. Thank you guys so much. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. TeamFullest, peace out. Bye. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it feels like home. This feels like home. Oh, yeah.